Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Pico's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is part of a collab. It is the hashtag ATC MDC Open Collab, hosted by Tony from Creative Chica Halls and Crafts, Kimmy's Kitchen and More, and Kat Cass in Cali. So what we do is we make ATC cards or MDC cards. We upload on Thursday and we share them with you. So I made ATC cards this week again. I haven't done the MDC cards yet. I'm still trying to get my hands on some blank ones. So I'll probably start doing those in the future, but I've always loved the little ATC cards. So I decided that since I'm working on my junk journal / scrapbook with the fish aquatic nautical theme, that I would do some for that this week. So I made this one right here. And I used, as you can see, I used a shell and seahorse and then the little fish with the cute little octopus. And then I used washi tape on the end. These are just cardstock pieces that I got from one of those flip books. And I just glued them together, cut them out to the right size, which is 2.5 by 3.5. This one I think is super, super cute too. These ones are more of a beach theme. And then I have some that are more of a lake theme. So I got a turtle and a couple of shells and a little yellow tang. Now the next beach theme one that I did, this one I kind of just wanted to let the sticker speak for itself. I used this beautiful washi tape that I ordered from Amazon, and then this paper right here actually looks like sand when you see the full sheet of paper. So I thought that was really pretty. And then on the back, it's this really, really pretty shell. I love this paper pack. It's so pretty. A couple people have commented on it. I actually got it last year at Michael's. It was a 48-page paper pack, but they do have a similar one this year that I saw in the store. It basically just has these different patterns of pastels and really looking marbleized. If you see that paper pack, that's the one that is going to be very similar to this type of paper right here. From that same paper pack, I used this for the lake theme. I thought these are really cute. So these are more pond, freshwater type fish that you would see. And the mug is so cute. It says Lake Life. And again, this washi tape that you see, I got in a pack. It was basically just like an ocean theme pack that I got on Amazon. The back of it is really cute. I love that little crab. I'll show you the sticker sets that I used at the end. So there's that one. And then the last one is right here. And again, that's a thinner washi tape. I think this washi tape, actually, I got at Dollar Tree. They sell like a 3 or 4 pack of them. And then, so those are the 4 cards that I made this week. And I decided that the reason I wanted to do that is because I'm trying to use up a lot of the supplies that I have in my stash. And when I did a previous project in my nautical aquatic themed junk journal scrapbook, I had opened up this pack right here, so I wanted to take a couple more stickers from this. And I wanted to use another sticker from this one. And these are from the Shore Living. They had these last year. I'm curious to see if they're going to bring this theme back again this year. And then the other stickers were from this pack right here. And then the turtle was actually from another pack that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm very, very happy that I actually, with these shells here that I used, I was able to finish this entire sticker pack right here from Crafter's Square that was beach theme. So those are the 4 cards that I made this week for this collab. So I'm showing them like this so you can see all 4 of them. That's what the front of them looks like. And then I'm going to flip them all. And that is what the back of them all look like. And that does conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like the cards that I made. And definitely go check out everybody else's videos in this collab. Show them some love. And also don't forget to go to Kimmy's Kitchen and More, Kat Cass in Cali, and Creative Chica Halls and Crafts, and show them some love as well. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.